Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the process of withdrawing money from your brokerage account when you're trading via TradingView. If you've ever wondered how to transfer your profits from your trades into your actual bank account, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what you need to do step by step to safely and confidently withdraw your funds after a successful trading session. Let's dive right in. First things first, when you're ready to withdraw your money, you'll need to log into your broker through TradingView. Or more simply, if you're trading using TradingView's interface but your actual broker account is somewhere like OANDA Interactive Brokers or another connected brokerage, you'll always be managing your funds on the broker's platform itself, not inside TradingView. Remember, TradingView is like a bridge. It lets you place trades and manage positions directly, but it doesn't actually hold your cash, store your credentials, or process withdrawals. Think of TradingView as a remote control for your broker rather than the actual safe where your money is held. So step 1, log into your brokerage account. Head over to the website or platform for your chosen broker, making sure it's the same one you've linked to TradingView. Sometimes this can be a separate app or web portal, and you'll be using the same login details you used when setting up the connection with TradingView. If you're unsure which broker you've linked, just take a quick look in your TradingView account under Broker Connections for confirmation. Once you're inside your broker's platform, look for the section dedicated to funds. It might be labeled as Funds, Transfers, Wallet, or simply Deposits and Withdrawals. This is where all your financial management tools reside. Don't worry if it seems a little hidden. Sometimes these sections are tucked away in the sidebar or under a drop-down menu. Take your time here and don't hesitate to double-check to be sure you're in the right place. Most brokers offer help guides or support chat if you get stuck. Now ready to withdraw, find and select the Withdraw or Withdrawal option. This is where the magic starts. Here you'll need to enter the amount you like to withdraw. Maybe it's just a portion of your profits, or perhaps you want to transfer your entire available balance. Make sure you check for any withdrawal minimums or fees. Most reputable brokers will display these up front so you're not caught off guard later. At this point, you may be asked to choose a withdrawal method. Common choices include a direct bank transfer, PayPal, or wire transfer. Select the option that works best for you. Just remember, bank transfers can take a couple of business days, and some methods may involve processing fees or extra steps for security verification. If you're unsure whether your selected method is best, a quick search in your broker's help center or a chat with their support team can clear things up. After you've entered all the correct details, take a moment to review everything. Confirm that your account information is correct, the amount is accurate, and you've selected the right withdrawal method. This final confirmation step is essential. Think of it as double-checking the address before you send an important package. When everything looks good, submit your withdrawal request. That's it. Your broker will process the request, and your funds should arrive according to their usual processing times. If you're ever unsure about the timeline, most brokers offer real-time updates and notifications so you can track your withdrawal every step of the way. Just a quick reminder. Since TradingView is purely an interface and doesn't actually hold your funds, all withdrawals need to be done directly through your broker's own platform. For further questions about broker connections or trading features, check out TradingView's brokers page or your broker's help center. They're great resources. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you have any questions or need extra help. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials on trading and platform features. See you in the next video.